Benvenuti, scholars. Do you struggle with academic writing? Have you received feedback to cut down on passive voice, but you don't really know how to fix it? Well, you're not alone. Keep watching to learn 5 different ways to fix your passive voice. Today we have a special guest who's going to show you 5 ways to fix passive voice in your academic writing. 1. Flip the sentence. 2. Name the researcher in front of the sentence. 3. Push the content deeper. 4. Rearrange the sentence and replace the verb. And 5. Change verb tenses. Also included in this video will be a list of 46 strong, active, and scholarly verbs. In fact, our guest has created a printable which will be linked in the description box for you to refer to throughout your dissertation journey. So please let me introduce and hand this video over to my bride, the other Dr. Markette. She's an English teacher with 30 years experience who also has experience as a dissertation chair.
Thanks, Nick. First, let's recognize the most common culprits to avoid: is, are, was, and were. Let's examine how to flip the sentence. Here, is required as the passive verb. In this revised sentence, you will notice that we simply flipped the content at the end and placed it in the beginning to eliminate the passive verb is. Next up is placing the researcher's name first. With the same sentence, we take the researcher's name, in this case Walker, and place that in the front of the sentence to emphasize the action the researcher performs. Here, Walker reports, but the verb could also be posits, or suggests, or something else. Remember to download the printable of the active and scholarly verbs in the description below for more ideas. My personal favorite is number 3, pushing the content deeper. Overall, passive voice just leads to weak sentences. Can we just agree that special education teachers are in demand is a very boring, lame sentence? It really is devoid of any meaningful content. Now check out this rewrite. Wow, this has so much more content and provides background and brings to life the claim of demand. We know much more about the demand because the active verbs require more content. We've already covered 3 ways to avoid passive voice. 2 more to go. Number 4 is rearrange the sentence and replace the verb. With this revision, think about who or what is actually doing the action and add that information. Here, who or what required compliance. In this case, it was the United States government. You can still use starting in 2002, so just recycle that. The last tip is to change the verb tense. This is a fan favorite because it really is the easiest. Just eliminate the passive verb were and change the tense of creating to created. Nothing else changes. Super simple. You did it! We've covered 5 ways to eliminate passive voice and change it to active.
We certainly hope that learning these 5 tricks will help you transform your passive writing to active voice. Would you like more writing tutorials to help you with your academic writing? Comment below what other writing topics you'd like us to cover. As always, thank you for watching. Please click subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on our upcoming videos. Let me help you get to graduation.